In this video, we'll see how to use help.edison.com for self-support, accessing helpful resources, and using our AI-powered search to quickly find answers and guidance. On the sidebar, you'll find articles that you can explore and read in any order based on your needs. You can click on the drop-down for any category to view all the articles available under it. You can click on any article to open and view it on the main screen. You can now read the complete article, and in many cases, articles also include videos that you can watch for better understanding and guidance. Another way to use our help website is through the AI-powered search in the knowledge base to quickly find precise answers. To get started, click on Search. After typing your question in the search bar, press the Tab key on your keyboard to switch to AI Search, then hit Enter to get an AI-generated answer. The AI search now uses all the available knowledge base content here to generate answers for the question you asked. Now you can instantly view precise answers to your questions without having to go through multiple documents manually. To learn more, click on the reference number, such as 1 or any other number, which will open the detailed article from which the answer was generated, allowing you to explore the topic in depth. This makes it easier to quickly find solutions, understand features, and get support whenever you need help using EdisonOS. Thank you.